Ranking funny dog bully moments. The tiny one chose violence and activated big boss energy out of nowhere.
Get him, puppy. Oh!
One get him, and bro flipped his internal mercenary switch to on. Puppy was treating the big dog like a personal jungle gym, and finally hit the find out stage. The puppy was yapping like a broken car alarm. Dog goes from 0 to maximum rage.
Mila! 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 Quick!
Huh?
The puppy's head disappeared into her mouth like a hairy tennis ball. No biting, just pure slapstick comedy. POV. You're trying to be fair, but you've accidentally fueled a one-man border dispute.